चलो अभी तो अपन फाइनली बोल सकते हैं, राइट? कि नहीं बोल सकते? अभी भी कुछ
After,
कुछ गुंजाइश है
eh,
कि ना हो,
things
अनाउंस कर ही
things might
देते हैं.
go wrong.
So, after promising for many, many years, very many years, we are finally happy to finally announce and promise that the test tour is actually happening. It already started in Mumbai on the 10th of April, and then 24th is another show which is day after, and 1st is another show in Mumbai. Both are sold out. So thank you for selling it out in half a day.
Yeah, it was.
This is a message to the rest
Damn.
of the people in
Bro,
other cities, which is
half the tickets went before we put the tickets up. I don't know how
yeah,
this
thank you.
happened.
You guys are incredible. मतलब हम लोग ऐसे पूछते कि hey, how many tickets bro sold out? So thank you
Yeah.
each and every one of you who bought tickets. Now the next lineup of shows is Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, and Delhi. It's going to be between 18th, 19th of May and 1st and 2nd of June. So keep your eyes peeled for the tickets. They are going to go up soon. तो जैसे जाएगा प्लीज फटाफट खरीद लो ताकि एक मस्त सेल आउट करे और तुम्हारे सिटी में आके टिस अनसेंसर्ड करे.
Also, the reason it's taken this long to put it together is because you have no idea how difficult it is to find the dates of four people, one
Yeah.
person who is not in the country, and then to navigate the IPL, the elections, the World Cup.
Yeah.
They
It's
moved the IPL for our shows. So it's been very difficult talking to everybody at the IPL.
like
And in case the show happens on one of the days your team is playing, sorry, come for the show.
Yeah.
Right? And a little bit
Yeah.
about the show. A lot of people are wondering what this uncensored is. So, Kautuk, will you care to explain what this uncensored is? In your
so this
different ways.
Yes, this Uncensored is basically a live show, a live version of this, where we are able to say things which would get our videos demonetized if we put it on YouTube. That
Perfect.
is that is basically
I
it.
like your choice of words, demonetized.
Yes, it's
No,
very,
no,
yeah,
no
it's
pun
very-
intended. No, but anyway, so this is going to be that show that we tour with across different cities, right? और इसको देखने का मजा in person ही है अपने एक मस्त safe space में भंकस करने वाले space में. So please come watch the shows. And yes, this is not going to be online. The regular test episodes will still be on, but this uncensored tour that we're doing, that's not going to be up anywhere. तो इसको live देखो, ticket खरीदो और please आ जाओ. और thank you once again for buying tickets.
I can't wait, dude. I can't wait to this tour is going to be fun because I, I want to travel with Bawa again.
I'm getting that.
It's going to be great. All right.
Baba gets so uncomfortable while traveling. Like
No, I don't get uncomfortable while traveling.
बाबा अपन तीन लोग एक रूम में रहेंगे ना फिर और तू
नहीं,
एक्स्ट्रा बेड पे सोएगा ना.
Yes, I'm okay with this plan.
या एक्स्ट्रा
I'm-
बेड
Dude.
छोटा वाला लेंगे तेरे लिए मस्त.
Okay.
पुणे में
I'm okay with getting my own room also in another hotel.
So you do
Thakur,
it.
something he might do.
And
Thakur,
keeping you all on Zoom.
there is one when you book a hotel room, there is an option add child. You should add child and be like, हमारा 42-year-old है.
हाँ. ये अभी तो बाबा तूने बोल दिया ये और कौतुक और मेरी स्ट्रेटेजी थी. अभी तू जा अलग रूम में होटल में रहे. आप इसी बात पे चल. हाँ पर ना. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show we take random incident words of facets, different other personal stories, and we talk about it. And क्या किया boys? ये weekend.
We
the
know you
reason-
want to talk about your weekend, so might as well
Yeah.
just say it. Happy
So I
birthday.
can't talk about my weekend, but I had a very fun weekend.
You can't talk about
in
it.
detail.
He can talk about it on the TIS Uncensored.
So for that, so you
क्या
hear
किया?
one story here, and the remaining half you'll hear at the show.
क्या क्या वरुण as you
गया भाई
enter-
अलीबाग गए हम लोग ने उधर ऐसे there's a mini villas का ऐसे resort type है. It's only like 8 to 10 rooms, so we were like 16 of us. गया 2 दिन मस्त पौड़े किया, बहुत खाया ब्रो. से इतने बड़े बड़े मस्त बोम्बिल मिल रहे थे.
Wow.
Bro, it was the seafood that you get in Alibag is insane. It is like it's so much better than a lot of the seafood restaurants in Mumbai, which is saying a lot. It was top food.
I saw one तेरा एक story देखा where you were getting one head massage.
I was just about
और
to say.
तू pass
तो
out हो गया है. Chair में
basically-
ठाकुर is gone. He's
I've realized what I want from my birthday. Like it's like और कुछ ना हो, सब लोगों को बोलते एक मेरे को अर्बन क्लैप पे एक मंगाओ बंदा जो आएगा 2 घंटे के लिए
मसाज इज अ
करे.
गुड सीन एनी टाइम, बट बेसिकली सीन ये हुआ है कि मेरी हो गई है शादी और मेरी एक वाइफ हु टुक द फुल ओनस ऑन हरसेल्फ कि आई विल प्लान इट. सो शी हैज प्लान्ड इट टू द टीम, मींस उधर पहुंचते हुए अपने को क्या खाने मिलेगा और उसपे भी सब लोगों को क्या
There's-
उसके अकॉर्डिंगली she knows that okay, if we partied all night, next day everybody's going to wake up hungover and also massage will be perfect. तो उधर मसूस आ गए हैं. So it was all like planned very meticulously. So
Dude, it's amazing. Like, you know, if you're getting a massage when you have a hangover, your head is pounding from the inside and getting pounded from the outside.
dude, yeah, but it feels so good. Like you don't realize how badly you need it, because every time you wake up hungover in your head, you're like shit यार कोई मस्त मसाज दे रहा हो तो अभी तो क्या मजा आ रहा हो. और उधर एक्चुअली हुआ, और ये दोनों जो मसूस थे उन लोग हम लोग को घोस्ट स्टोरीज बता रहे हैं.
अरे
तो वो
tell one.
सब लोग बैठे हुए, because there were many of them all. So there was a common like chilling area where like one by one everybody is getting, right, one girl, one guy is getting a massage and all of that, and the rest are sitting, and these masseuses are telling us stories about how there are ghosts in Kashid, which is another area close to Atiba. She's just saying उधर आप जाके देख सकते हो, उधर होते हैं.
You
I
think
have-
he
I have been to
ever
Kashid.
went for a client, like client के पास गया, उसको मसाज कर रहा है और बाद में halfway through the massage he said thank you and he just disappears.
Yeah, it was never
that would have
that.
been a great.
Or he goes down to the foot to give the foot massage और उसका पैर उल्टा है.
No,
Oh,
उसका पैर उल्टा, उसके हाथ उल्टे होंगे और वो मसाज करे नहीं. क्योंकि सर मेरे हाथ उल्टे. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, would have been crazy if after all of this I went to Nikita, I said, babe, thank you, that massage was amazing, and she said, what massage? I didn't.
Oh,
just a random guy. Okay.
I mean, how helpful is that ghost?
हाँ,
Like that,
yeah.
that's a ghost I would keep around. But
Yeah.
by वैसे भी you're not
Because
feeling.
you never have to pay him. You just have to pay.
Nor does he
you-
feel pain or anything. It's just like तू करते रहे.
And he won't get
हाँ.
tired. He's not like shit यार, हाथ
Yeah.
दुख रहा है अभी बंद. नहीं, तू भूत है, तू करते रहे.
But उसका हाथ तेरे को टच कैसे कर रहा है? Why isn't it going through you?
अभी
अच्छा, I have another-
Why? Who
I have
are you
another-
to decide the rules of a Masood's ghost?
Of a ghost masseuse, correct. I have one question, Thakur.
about a घोसूस.
Ghosus.
Ghosus. वो
Thakur, why-
महसूस, उसको जो महसूस करना है वो महसूस कर सकता है as a मसूस.
He will घुसोस into you and give you a मसूस.
You started this, Neville. This is your fault.
ऐसे 1:30 बजे दोपहर को कौन करता है ये सब? अभी हम कर रहे हैं 1:30 बजे. यूजुअली ये 1:30 बजे रात को थे कि यार हम लोग रात को शूट कर रहे हैं तो डिलीवरी में आ गया. 1:30 बजे दोपहर को ही चालू. घोसूस and मसूस. घोसूस and मसूस. Hashtag guys and hashtag guys क्यों बोल रहा? Sorry, comment.
Just by
Hashtag if you like a घोसूस.
Is it the Gosusus? Gosus is the Masusus. Like that, like Chalulu is the Dalulu.
सोलुलु नहीं रे.
अच्छा, एक मिनट, अभी मेरे को एक ही सवाल है. ठाकुर, तू थक नहीं जाता है क्या ये उम्र में ये
अबे
करने
इसलिए
को?
तो मसाज ले रहा था चूतिए.
2 दिन बेंचो तू पार्टी किया, 2 दिन.
अबे 2 दिन कंटिन्यूसली सोते हैं ब्रो. हम लोग 4:30 बजे सो गए. आई ब्रॉट इन माय बर्थडे, वी स्लेप्ट एट 4:30. आई वाज अप
4:30 AM or PM?
एएम ना चूतिए.
Okay.
पीएम कौन सोएगा?
But what
4:30 पीएम क्यों
अरे,
सोएगा?
because then it's not an aberration, na?
Bawa sleeps at 4:30 p.m. That's his birthday.
Yeah.
He's like, please don't call me. I am sleeping. I want a nap.
नो, हम लोग
But
4:30
it
एएम
sounds
सोए. ऑन 20th
exhausting.
मॉर्निंग 9:30 उठ गए और मस्त ओवरकास्ट था. प्यूल था. प्यूल के
It was
अंदर
overcast.
पूरा टाइम स्विमिंग.
Fuel में.
प्यूल
ये
में
ये
ऐसे कर रहे थे.
पूल के अंदर ऐसे ही होता
उधर
है.
कॉकटेल बन रहे ब्रो, और बहुत मेंढक थे सबके टॉयलेट में. कैसे मेंढक. तो मेरा एक दोस्त इतना ड्रंक था, वो उतर गया और उससे देख रहा है और 3 मेंढक है. बोल रहा है ब्रो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था मैं क्या करूं, बिकॉज दे वर ऑल अराउंड द पॉट. So I'm trying to avoid them because I don't want to pee on a frog. तो अंदर बैठ के वो गेम खेल रहा है फ्रॉग्स के साथ ब्रो. He's trying to avoid the frogs while peeing.
and then the person came and said, "What frogs? There are no frogs."
फ्रॉग घोस्ट नहीं चाहिए. फ्रॉग्स.
Frogus.
ये क्या टेंट्स थे क्या? लग्जरी टेंट्स?
अरे
नहीं
उसने
रे,
बोला
proper
विला.
room थे.
प्रॉपर रूम में मेंढक घुस गए तेरे?
नहीं
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
वो जो उन लोग का
Maintain.
कॉमन चिलिंग एरिया था वहां के टॉयलेट में जो उधर
Ah.
उधर से कहाँ से तो आ गए।
Hmm.
Dude,
और फिर
I
एक टाइम पे
also
रात को मेरी फ्रेंड आके बोल रही ब्रो लिसन आई सॉ लाइक 2 बेबी स्नेक्स। सो सबका ऐसे दिमाग फट गया 1 मिनट। सो नॉट ओनली आर यू सेइंग स्नेक्स प्लूरल, you're saying baby snakes, which
Which
means there
means
is mama
There's an
snake and
angry
papa
mother.
snake also somewhere। सब कैसे पड़ गई है ना कि कौन से साइड में कहाँ से आ रहा है बेबी स्नेक पापा स्नेक।
I like how our assumption is कि snake का nuclear family है and not joint family. In which case, uncle snake, auntie snake.
होंगे ना तो अलीबाग है ब्रो आजू बाजू
Yeah.
सब ऐसे सांप वाप भी है।
But talking of babies, I had a birthday too this
ओ
week.
हाँ
Yes.
Yes.
20th Ira turned 2 months.
वाओ
And
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
yes. And the thing is, like these early birthdays, right, for kids, they are just parties that you only are throwing for yourself. Because kid has very minimal, like she's very little part of this enjoyment of it. Very little.
correct, correct.
Dad, where's the DJ? What about the alcohol? Nothing's here yet.
I like how
Yeah.
Ira is also partying like Varun.
No,
उसको
so
Yeah, yeah. वो
18
भी
हो
ऐसे
जाने दे,
एक
फिर
एक हाथ में
वरुण
एक
जाकर
मेंढक
उसकी पार्टी
लेके
स्टार्ट करेंगे।
dude, on her first month birthday, so first month obviously like you're super duper excited because you've made it to like the first month, right? So
Hmm.
both sets of grandparents have come. We've asked each other kya khana hai is bar, ordered it, right? And the thing is, on that day we've kept one dress aside that we're going to make her wear and stuff, and she's worn it. And just like with every baby across the world, when it comes to these early birthdays, she has cried through it.
Hmm. Correct,
So,
correct.
उसके सारे photos, like first month, everyone else is super excited, and Ira is just, why am I here? What is this? Let me sleep. So, yeah, it was. So that's the thing. It's a lot of fun, and it's a lot of memories for you.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Very little for them. And the thing is, as they grow up, also they have such little interest. Like I remember this. My parents used to show me photos and be like, "Ki, this was when you were 1 month. This was 2 months." I'm like, yeah, yeah. I have no memory of this. What is this? But you only value it much later.
The
as you get
picture you
older.
put with her was so cute. She's looking adorable, bro.
Yeah. She's
Very, very cute.
dude. Can I tell you one more thing? So 3 days ago, it's 6 in the morning. All right, the sun has just risen. It's still not fully. This thing is very dark outside, and she's woken up for a feed, and suddenly she smiles, and then she laughs.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
She goes, now, amazing moment. Except I have seen too many horror movies.
Yeah.
So in that, I'm half asleep. It's little dark, and suddenly I hear. I was like, children's laughter in horror movies is the
Scariest.
number one
Yeah,
thing. I
yeah.
was like, shit, can't appreciate this. But yeah, then you later go like, okay, must. But yeah,
You know, there's that old saying, right? There's an old joke, which is a child's laughter is the most beautiful thing in the world, except when you're alone at home
yeah.
and it's 4 o'clock and you don't have a child.
Bro, you won't believe ये मेरे birthday पे अभी 20th हो गया, ठीक है? We've gone on the 19th, brought the birthday in, slept. अगले दिन उठा तो पब्लिक के कॉल वॉल आ रहे हैं। पूरा दिन हो गया, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने फोन ही नहीं किया। So in the evening I messaged them, why haven't you all called yet? Like, no, we thought, you're out, you must be partying. We didn't want to disturb you. इतना सोच रहे मतलब पूरी दुनिया फोन की, तुमने फोन नहीं किया अभी तक? फिर फोन किया, मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? खुद पी रहे उठे।
वो लोग तेरा बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे थे।
Bro, worst is, when people call you and you know they are calling to wish you, but like you answer the phone and they don't wish you and they just talk to you as if they call to talk to you. ये हुआ है कभी तेरे बर्थडे पे तूने फोन उठाया है? Assume तू यही कर कि सब
बर्थडे विश है।
answer the phone like, yo, hey bro, what's up? अच्छा, listen, I was wondering कि तेरा ये जो शो करना है, and they just like start talking and they I don't think they remember it's your birthday. And they're like, so क्या सीन है? They're like,
मेरे तो these are normal calls.
huh?
These are calls for me on every birthday.
Good, Baba.
These are my favorite birthday wishes.
the
Then they
only
call and
people,
be like, अच्छा सुन तेरे को जो फाइल भेजना था वो अभी तक तूने भेजा क्यों नहीं?
Baba only gets birthday wishes from all the products he subscribed to.
Yeah, or his
Yeah.
bank.
Yeah, like, hi Neville, happy birthday. Please keep banking with HDFC Bank.
11
How
Madison
about
Park wishes you
you?
a happy birthday. Thank you for eating with us 7 years ago.
Take another
No, but
20% off on Zomato.
the other terrible this thing is on your birthday when this always happens where like it'll be like someone messages you happy birthday and then you open that chat and that chat is literally your entire relationship with this person is happy
Is
birthday,
happy
thanks
birthday,
bro,
Happy
thanks.
happy
birthday,
birthday,
happy
thanks bro,
birthday.
happy birthday, thanks bro, and then you wishing them happy birthday and they're like thanks bro. That's the whole fucking
No, and the
relationship.
worst is that then there was a happy birthday from them, but no thanks, bro, from you.
Oof.
Now there is another
Yeah.
happy birthday from them, and you're like,
Oof.
yaar, yuck. We are
एक
not
साल
doing
पहले
that.
ये
Yeah.
फेसबुक पे सबसे ज्यादा होता है फेसबुक पे
Oh,
See,
yeah.
I
Facebook
don't know
also
why
story.
people are still wishing people happy
Yeah.
birthday on Facebook.
Dude, there used to be a time when I was very young and very insecure, and I would compare how many wishes I had gotten on this birthday with
Yeah.
the last birthday. I'd be like, fuck, man, life has gotten worse. 42 less birthday wishes.
Yeah, I think
I'd
if-
be okay with
if-
that,
if-
but
you know, like वो anyway कम हो जाता है. Earlier, you know, it would be like everybody's wishing you on Facebook, and then you would wish them back.
Oh, yeah,
Like
yeah.
not wish them back, but
Yeah.
like say
Reply
thank
back.
you
Thanks, thanks, thanks.
each and every this. I mean, I'm talking about like 15, 20.
Yeah, yeah. Same,
When
same, same.
तो कि तू सबको ये कर रहा है, then it became like thank you everybody for the wishes. एक blanket wall post करके तू रख देगा, जो भी status update करके रख
हाँ.
देगा. अभी तो यार कोई नहीं
Yeah.
कर. अभी Facebook से मालूम पड़ता है कि बर्थडे है किसी का.
Facebook
Yeah.
खोलता कौन है?
और Facebook से मालूम पड़ता है कि अरे shit मेरे पास Facebook है. अभी
हाँ.
So the reason Aparna is coming into frame after so long of managing to not have like create problems for her to do her work is because we moved and I don't have a corner yet to record the podcast because everything was in boxes. Like abhi last pura hafta has just been packing and the unpacking is such a pain in the ass.
Oh, yeah.
It's just and it's like har cheez ka naya corner and now it's
Bro,
like now you don't know where anything.
Unpacking is a problem and being a pain in the, I think like you can take like a Dufalac or whatever. It passes smoothly from that.
Oh,
Then
I had no idea.
won't get pain
Wait,
in the
I
ass.
will remember this. But
Wow.
problem क्या होता है? You don't remember where anything is anymore. It's like
But
मेरे
you don't
चमचे का
label
है,
your boxes or
बर्तन का है. अरे वो नहीं, you've kept it all in the house now. But the thing is, your
Oh,
muscle memory,
It's new,
like the
new house
kitchen
habits.
muscle memory is because you're like, अच्छा ये का, अच्छा मेरा नमक अभी यहाँ पे. Like you don't even
Yeah.
think about it, but it's now all gone. So now
तो अभी तो क्या
readjusting.
नमक को वॉशिंग मशीन में ढूंढ रहा है, कपड़े को
हाँ,
ढूंढ रहा है,
हाँ, एक दो बार मैंने डिटर्जेंट
वार्डरोब
डाला
में नल
मैंने.
चालू कर रहा है. अरे भाई कहाँ कौन सी चीज कहाँ पर है? गैराज में सो रहा है.
मैं बालकनी में नहा के आया हूँ एक बार.
No, you also realize like
बस से बेड पे हगना मत बस.
Yeah.
you also realize that the house ka dimensions and things are a little different. So now some of the stuff that you had, which you had curated for a particular house, will not be
Yeah.
part of this house because there is just
Yeah,
no.
we gave it away. Kitna
Yeah.
saman we've just been giving away and like
Dude, but other, you
Huh.
know, the thing that I really like when shifting happens is that you get to actually find stuff that you were looking for like years and like, oh fuck, ye yahan hai.
हाँ.
Oh, it was under the couch all this while. Shit.
No, but I feel more often than not, it's like, why the fuck do I still have these things that are
This
like, I see it every day. Like, I've been opening my wardrobe and there's a line of things in a drawer that I haven't used, positively
years.
used in 1 year. There is denims at the bottom and some shirts that I'm not wearing. I had decided to throw it the last time I was doing a cleanse. Still, it is still there.
Yeah, but the best game of this is this one thing that I do, which is all my t-shirts are like this, right? So what I do is they just once they become
they're smelly.
fully out of shape. No, fully out of like this is
तो वो
fully
तो
out of
वहां
shape.
तक लेके जा रहा है. You're waiting for fully, not like out of shape. No, fully out of shape.
Fully out
मतलब
of shape.
You're
Yeah,
one step before katka.
Bro, yeah, one step before katka is when it goes into night track. till then it's still outdoor wearing. Okay.
Ah.
Which is a
Like,
which
okay,
is
Baba,
a,
let me ask you this right
So-
now. Okay, one second. This current T-shirt that
Yeah.
you're wearing, where is it at on
Where
this?
is
Like,
it
how
at?
many hours more are you going to wear
Let's
it?
understand what Neville's
so
what do you
this
think
is
of
a
this shirt?
t-shirt that I got in. This is a 2019 t-shirt.
Okay.
Okay, but you know your t-shirt or the Great Women of Science
No,
t-shirt,
no, but this
those
one,
What
those
is
are
the stage?
13 years old.
wow. Okay, but Baba, how many more years are you? How many more years are you going to wear this before you?
This totally depends on how much the frame is. So because I'll explain.
Does
One
your
sec.
t-shirt end under your rib cage?
No, because over here there's a blue color stain. See?
Oh,
Why do you have a stain inside your?
It's not inside. It's on
Why
the
is
front
it
part,
blue?
but it's on the lower part of my t-shirt. So it
So
depends on how much.
you thought this was okay for podcast. So this,
It's okay for this much, na? Till now you didn't know, na?
he could
but
might
now
as
you
well
showed
just
us the
cut-
blue
cut
stain
the shirt.
also. So is it
Please,
okay?
please
Lola,
comment
really?
below how many more days Baba should wear this T-shirt.
Yeah.
So
Like,
there is
was this meeting t-shirt yesterday, podcast today, night suit tomorrow, and परसों ये कट का है. ये है ना scene इसका.
no. So
अच्छा
one
होली
second.
पे पहनेगा एक बार.
No, I'll explain. This is a as of this moment a WFH t-shirt. Okay. So I am working from home with this t-shirt. तो सुबह नहा के ये t-shirt पहनने का. ठीक है. फिर रात को सोने से पहले नहा के दूसरा नाइट टी-शर्ट. अब तो नाइट टी-शर्ट can or cannot be better than the quality of this t-shirt. It depends on which night t-shirt. The quality can be better. In the rotation cycle, it depends on where this is on the pile.
But I in Baba's defense, I will say one thing though, which is that these old T-shirts, they are so nice to wear.
They are very comfortable.
They
Yeah.
are so
They
That's
comfortable.
why
know,
night suit.
they know every
That's why night
crevice
suit.
of your body. It's like those old
Yeah, yeah.
shoes.
Yeah.
You know,
They are
you don't
memory,
let
memory
them
foam
go.
comfortable.
T-shirts.
Correct. And I believe in being comfortable in every sphere of my life. So even if I'm outdoors, you don't talk to my face. Don't look at my t-shirt.
Baba's aesthetic is comfort.
Yes.
Hmm.
Very true. Very true. Aesthetic is comfort
Wait
from
a minute, you can have comfortable clothes which don't have a khadda. Or
Yeah,
don't have
or a blue stain.
nishan, or
Yeah.
don't have a collar. It's still comfortable.
Depends.
You wear it
Depends.
out.
A lot of people pay high amount of money for khaddas in their t-shirt.
No. So I understand, Varun, what you're saying, but to find that t-shirt. So like, for example, in the new scheme of things, I found one brand that does a decent job with the t-shirt.
say
so I
which
will wear
brand?
them. Soul Store does a decent job with their cotton
They do.
solids.
They do.
With their cotton solid t-shirts. Some of their blacks are very thick, and also then they get kept for carrying bag all the way to Habitat, wear 1 minute before show, then take out after show and come back to this, right?
This is absolutely true. Baba does exactly
Because right
this.
before you're about to step on stage where you'll sweat the most, you want the thickest black.
No,
can
it's
wear.
not a problem. It's just that like I'm okay to suffer that much for. I know it's a limited time offer. After that, I can go back to this, which is thing. So yeah, I can't. I believe in comfort. I think comfort supersedes everything, which is why joggers, which is
100%.
why like
100%.
this
Yeah.
jeans and all. In the now, I can't do jeans.
Hey,
Chansi
Baba,
nahi.
you never did
Fancy nahi.
skinny fit anything, no, in your life.
No, I did. No, 1 sec. When I was Malabar
He
Cadillac,
was
days-
skinny.
yeah. When I was Malabar Cadillac, normal fit was skinny fit only.
Skinny fit only.
No,
So-
but you didn't do like I had I think 2 pairs of there was this trend of skinny jeans
Yeah.
where they would it just hugs you completely and then it tapers down. I had
I
2
couldn't.
or 3 pairs of those.
Cannot.
for some reason.
Cannot.
They
Cannot.
were
I couldn't do
very
it then
difficult.
also.
नहीं पहले तो बहुत पहना फिर उसके बाद नहीं पहले स्ट्रेट था फिर वो फ्लेयर हुआ फिर साइड से कटा फिर स्किनी हुआ फिर अभी रेगुलर फिट
No, I'm sorry. I've not done the whole realm of national college fashion. I have not.
I was in jail.
I
I
have
was
done.
in jail.
But yes, I have stuck to the classic Levi's 501s were the classic, whatever, that
Simple,
kind of,
straight. Yeah.
that straight fit or whatever. But I've never done skinny. I did try to buy, here's the funny thing. So, I did buy Zod karke ek brand hota na, Zod.
yeah.
Yeah,
Zodiac
The
का.
shirts.
Yeah. So, wait.
वो
So,
तलवार लेके वो एक आदमी खड़ा
Hey,
रहता
it
था.
was not just Zod, it was Zod with an exclamation mark.
Yeah.
Zod ले सर नहीं चाहिए मुझे नहीं ले तू
तो
मैं तो
एक-
जिराफ
It
नहीं
had a
पहनता।
very
जिराफ
horrible
नहीं पहनता,
tagline. Can you remember the tagline?
Zord का था
the
क्या
part-
कुछ? तो anyway,
party something. एक second, let
तो
me look it
एक
up.
जॉर्ड का
बोल।
टी शर्ट, एक जॉर्ड का शर्ट होता था. फिर ये जारा टाइप भी आया लाइफ में. तो वो जारा भी एक टाइम पे कुछ एक, तो मैंने उधर ना एक स्लिम फिट करके शर्ट लिया था. ठीक है
Oh my God.
ब्रो.
ये भी मिलता है, ऐसे नहीं है
Yes,
कि-
yes, yes. But, bro, the problem is whenever slim fit is made for people who are so you can wear a triple XL slim fit because the fit will match the
Tapers.
problem
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
the problem is my shoulders are meant for someone who has abs, but my stomach is not abby. My stomach is expanding. So as a result, the slim fit doesn't do justice because
Oh yeah.
if I did a triple XL, it would be baggy here,
Oh,
fit here. But then if I bought what I need to wear for my upper body, for my shoulders, then from here it would become
but some, you know
rotund.
something,
It
I
would be
I completely understand what Baba is saying, because like there are people who have a body that they can do online shopping with. which is that-
proportionate body.
Yeah, it's proportional and whatever, and like it is just the right this thing that they make clothes for that, and so it works. Like I need to go and try my shirts before
Correct,
buying,
correct. I
because
need a
every
yeah.
shirt fits differently on my body for some odd reason. I don't know what it is. They all fit
Hmm.
differently. And I am so happy. Can I just tell you one thing? One fashion trend I never want to go away. Please keep this oversized t-shirt, baggy pants fashion forever. Because
वो
for
हमेशा
people
रहता
like
है।
me, बहुत
No.
मजा आता है.
1 second. I'm saying I don't. This is Kautuk. This much you know that I don't care whether it's in fashion or not. This is it. This is where it is. Oversized. is what
Oversized
I'm
t-shirt.
gonna-
I need
You
to
found
stock
your
up.
people.
In fact, I feel I started it because I used to always wear one double XL because
Wow.
yeah.
Baba has said, I started the fashion
A
Yes.
fashion trend.
of oversized fit.
Arey, hear me out. Because what I mean is, I think there were enough people like me who would just say, "Fuck it, मेरे को fitting कपड़ा नहीं पहनने का, or things that are nicely resting on my body. I will wear things that are larger than me."
Dude, this podcast is cleanly divided into people who have proportionate bodies
Like this.
and people who don't. It's two people who can buy off the rack and two people who really
No,
need
I
it.
can't. I
No,
can't
I'll tell
buy. I
you-
can't buy off the rack. I cannot buy off the rack in India at all because
क्यों?
uh,
आराम से ब्रो, मैं ऑफ द रैक खरीद रहा हूँ, तू क्यों नहीं खरीद रहा है?
नहीं शर्ट वर्ट हो जाता है. By the way, it's called Zord club wear. It's Zord exclamation mark club wear.
There was no
It's
tagline
just
to
the
Zord.
worst designs. So I cannot buy pants because most of the pants I have to buy a 34-inch waist to be able to get my thighs inside. I've
But
got
your waist is 32.
32 or 30 depends on where, like, depends on the cut.
But if your thighs are put together, they are wider than your waist. So you need a
Yeah.
wider waist to put the thigh in.
नहीं तो पैंट ऊपर चढ़ता ही नहीं है तो वो 30 इंच
हाँ, तो
वेस्ट
sorry,
का
pant
पैंट
ऊपर से pant ऐसा नहीं।
so for some reason it's only in India these guys do this. I have never seen this outside where it's America. It's always cheating. You buy 30 waist, it's actually 32
Oh,
because they're like, हाँ तो you keep lying to yourself.
I would like to live in this society.
Yes, but all my pants, the problem then becomes कि वो ऐसा fold होके waist पे belt के साथ होता है and those become horrible. So then I have to rest everything on my hips. So I have
ये
the
तुम्हारी सब दुविधाएं मैं दूर कर दूंगा। तुमको महीने में 2 दिन निकालने हैं, जो दिन तुमको
टेलर
जाना
के पास.
है एक अच्छे जगह के पास, उसको जाके वहां से तुमने मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करना है, या जो कुछ अगर देखो स्टाइल या कुछ बाहर पसंद आया उसका फोटो लेके जा कि ये देख ऐसे क्यूबन कॉलर चाहिए, अरे ये शॉर्ट चाहिए, अरे ये ओवर साइज चाहिए, ये चाहिए वो चाहिए बोल के एक टाइम पे मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करके अपना मेजरमेंट देके आ जाओ. You will actually end up saving money and getting clothes that actually
That
fit
fit you.
your body. And you keep little margins. You tell them that depending on whether you're growing or you're trying to reduce, depends. अभी तू पतला है, तेरे को थोड़ा मार्जिन चाहिए.
वरुण, मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि
शॉर्ट हो जाता है लाइफ ब्रो. मैं अब भी करा के आया 5 शर्ट और 5 ऐसे लिनन का पजामा पैंट टाइप सिचुएशन.
तू ऐसे आदमी से बात कर रहा है जो ऑलमोस्ट कटका पहना हुआ है फिलहाल. तू बोल रहा है कि तू जा और टेलर से बात कर.
वरुण, मेरा प्रॉब्लम है कि आई एम ऑलवेज इन माय हेड, आई एम ऑलवेज रिड्यूसिंग, बट इन एक्चुअलिटी आई एम इंक्रीजिंग. Is there a solve for this problem?
Baba's like the universe.
Then you just walk around in your birthday suit. That's what you do.
It fits perfectly.
Needn't worry about society in general and just walk around. So fuck hip size, waist size, chest size, oversize, undersize, कुछ
Most
नहीं. मैं
comfortable.
ये हूँ, मैं घूमता हूँ ऐसे.
Unfortunately,
तो प्रॉब्लम है
this
तो
is
मेरे
a-
मुंह को देख के बात करो. देख, क्योंकि इसके पहले मैं जब वो टी शर्ट पहना तुम टी शर्ट देख रहे थे. अभी कंपलसरी तुमको मेरे मुंह पे देखना पड़ेगा.
अभी वैसे
हो गया.
बोला I would do this only if it was not illegal in India to roam around naked.
By the way, have you read this news?
Is that a
Let me
law,
pull it
Baba?
up.
It is a law. Yes, it
Oh,
is a law.
wow. Can't believe what a segue, Jeet. We've gone from naked Baba to the next topic, which is craziest laws from around the world. So,
No, craziest laws in India.
you know that Baba can't walk naked on the street, specifically.
Yes,
that's-
specifically me. Craziest.
Neville Shah,
individual-
Aadhaar card number. This cannot walk.
craziest laws in India is what I want to talk about.
Huh? Talk about it.
So there are some there are
There's no law
By
against
the way,
not talking about it.
naked का एक है मेरे को I'm trying to find this but like it's I just read it recently where two guys were on a bike and these guys are bodybuilders like वैसा तो एक उसका दोस्त नंगा बाइक चला रहा है
हाँ?
और सामने से कोई नंगा मतलब शर्ट के बिना बाइक चला रहा है तो इज लाइक दिस
वो नंगा नहीं है.
That's very far from.
I'll tell you why नंगा.
Okay.
Okay, he's shirtless. He's riding the bike और उसके पीछे उसका दोस्त. अभी ये रील बना रहे हैं लोग. तो उसका दोस्त अपना शर्ट ऐसा उतारता है एंड देन बाइक पे ऐसे जैसे पूरा फोटो वोटो ले रहा है आई मेन रोड पे. नेक्स्ट शॉट इज हिम अरेस्टेड बाय द पुलिस फॉर इंडिसेंट एक्सपोजर.
तो अभी ये रील थी कि एक्चुअली हुआ जो उसने रील में कैप्चर किया.
So रील वायरल हो गया. So the guy got arrested because the police found him. But
Oh.
लोग ऐसे ही घूम रहे हैं बिना शर्ट के. So just because his
This
reel
is
went
the-
viral.
This is the conversation, Adar. That's a very interesting conversation which we should talk about when I discuss these laws because it's some of the laws, the enforcement of the law would be just as much stupidity as it would be to even hear that this law exists. Because a lot of the times that some of the laws are pretty good and pretty necessary, but it's just the way they have been enforced in a lot of cases. Right? So
Hey guys, welcome to this episode, which is good, nice laws.
no, they're not. So
Nice.
I'll start
But
with
depends
this one.
on their enforcement.
I'll start with this one. We did this in the 200th episode, but I'll start with this because the reasoning behind why this law exists is pretty interesting. So do you know that if you are flying a kite in India,
You
You
need to have a pilot's license.
you have to have you have to take permission from the
Mother.
aviation ministry.
Oh,
Okay, you have to take
Aviation Ministry.
Yeah, you have to get permission to fly a kite, drone, any of the balloon,
there's
That's
a
from
big
the
difference
local
between
police.
a kite and a drone.
and a balloon,
And a
anything, and a balloon. So
मतलब अभी अगर ईरा के लिए मैं एक हीलियम बलून लेके जाएगा तो नाउ ईरा कैन गेट
First-
अरेस्टेड फॉर नॉट
हाँ,
हैविंग अ
हाँ,
परमिशन.
अगर
No,
तूने
you-
वो हीलियम बलून पे गोप्रो फिट कर दिया बोला ईरा ये लो फिर ईरा ने छोड़ दिया तो अरेस्ट हो जाएगी क्योंकि तू ईरा ने परमिशन नहीं लिया है.
okay, so
और
नहीं,
तो
but
डेफिनेटली अरेस्ट होगा.
this is the so the thing is it's the Indian Aircraft Act of 1934. Okay, it allows for 2 years of imprisonment with a fine of 10 lakh or face prison and a fine. Okay, this includes balloon, drone, falloon, everything. Why?
Balloon.
तो एक
Why?
मिनट, तो ये शादी पे जो लोग सब ड्रोन करते कि ये कपल ऐसे देखता है और ऐसे वो ड्रोन शॉट बाहर आता
हाँ,
है जो आधे
सबको
इधर
जेल में
बॉम्बे
डालो,
उम्मे सब
सबको।
में हो रहे हैं, तो वो सब हेलो एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री, आई वुड लाइक टू हैव फाइनल शॉट इन वेडिंग वीडियो.
Bro,
I'm assuming the drone operator has the license or something. Shit like
No,
that.
They
no,
always
so-
have to. While traveling also they make it
no,
very
no.
difficult
I know
while
on
you're
the
checking in
I know on the
bags.
drone thing there is Varun, when we were shooting Mumbai Indians, remember we couldn't fly a drone because we were very close to naval territory. So the minute you turn it on, it'll pop up on radar and you'll get fucked. But in a lot of
Oh.
places they don't have the thing, so you can take it up to I think 30 meters or 50 meters without too much of a problem. As in, it's one of those things that they'll allow you because otherwise half of India will be in prison because we fly kites without aviation ministry
Okay,
permission.
then the wedding I performed at, the bride and groom should be in prison. मेरे सर के ऊपर से ड्रोन जा रहा है जिसपे पनीर टिक्के है. बोला था मैंने किचन से जा रहा
मैं
है
एक
टेबल पे.
शादी पे था where the bride and groom were lifted and brought to the when you buy a
On a
crane,
drone.
so
अरे but a
no,
crane is not the same. A crane is still
They
connected.
were
to the-
higher than the drones. Okay, they were much higher than most of the
That doesn't
drones.
matter. अरे फिर तू स्काई स्क्रेपर में रहेगा तो भी तू जेल में जाना चाहिए क्या?
हाँ।
ऐसे थोड़ी है कि लिफ्ट स्काई स्क्रेपर का लिफ्ट जा रहा है ऊपर तो
मैं 17 माले पे मेरे को पूरा दिख रहा है अपने इधर का एरिया
तो
Dude,
नहीं,
पुलिस स्टेशन में दिख रहा है
So
During
if
the-
a bride
wait,
and groom do a parachute jump to the venue, does that mean they have to take the aviation ministry's permission?
yes. Now I just
Oh.
want to say that I just want to say why did this law come into existence is because during the British time, this is especially during the Simon Commission, right?
There
when
were a
everyone
lot
was-
of drones during the
No. So people were putting like Simon Go Back posters, and they were also writing it on kites and flying kites of Simon Go.
Oh,
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So because of that, they said public को पतंग उड़ाने का ही सजा दे देंगे. So it was for any kind of protest or anything like that.
I thought it was the birds getting together and filing a petition saying कि guys ये जब भी होता है ना हम लोग का बहुत वाट लग रहा है इधर
So
प्लीज
ये
so
देखो
there
फिर
was-
उधर ऐसे पिजन दिखा रहा है उसका एक पंख कट गया देखो सर मेरे साथ क्या हो गया उधर इधर कट हो गया इधर कट हो गया मेरा छोटा भाई है उसके साथ भी ये हो गया ठीक है
अच्छा, I also this thing that
ऑर्डर
we,
ऑर्डर
this thing that we were talking about earlier about public displays of affection or indecent exposure.
wait before you continue
Sorry.
Baba, just want to talk about this drone ka thing, right? So during the lockdown, so a friend of mine has a drone, okay, and he got it for photography and stuff like that. And during the lockdown, the cops had put out a message saying that if anyone has drones, come tell us about it and help us. So what he used to do is between like some 4 and 6 o'clock in the afternoons, in the evenings, he would send his drone out and he would just do surveillance of the area. Okay. The whole point was, agar koi, because during the lockdown, people used to congregate at the roof. कि social distancing या भाड़ में हम लोग सब building के लोग roof पे पहुंच के we'll hang out, right? Chai biscuit and all that. So the whole thing was that he would watch from the drone roof पे कौन chai biscuit पी रहा है.
What a narc!
पुलिस
Your friend is such a
पुलिस
narc.
को भेजेगा.
क्या complaint box है? ये मैं ही है क्या?
तेरा दोस्त है अभी तक ये
जी,
Bro, it's very capable.
क्या?
I'm
What
actually
he's trying to do is he's surveilling the area कि अच्छा कौन से ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे कम भीड़ है तो मैं उधर जाऊंगा कुछ लेने ग्रोसरीज तो लोचा नहीं होगा या नाकाबंदी किधर है अगर मैं बाहर जाऊं ये तो पार्टी बस कर रहा है
Yes. So the thing was that what would happen was the cops would see the footage and they would be like, "Acha, idhar hai," and they would land up. So these people are having chai biscuit, and suddenly cops have busted the scene.
And then they are like, हम लोग को भी दो चाय.
गिर जाएगी सर
छोड़ो ये
हम लोग
पार्ले जी.
पार्ले जी को चाय में डुबाया था जस्ट गिरा
और फिर कॉप भी चाय पी रहा है.
वो पार्ले जी लेके खड़ा पुलिस वाला नीचे जाएगा. ठीक है चल.
but the
सब सोच रहे भाई मुंबई पुलिस हार्डकोर हो गई है अभी अब उनको ऐसे टेलीपैथिकली मालूम पड़ रहा है कि कौन सेक्शन 144 कहाँ वायलेट हो रहा है पहुंच जा रहे हैं उधर
but it's people with drones. Very interestingly.
By the way,
Wow.
so my Aparna's nephew had a birthday and वो छोटा बच्चा है. He's not, someone she was thinking क्या खरीदूं उसके लिए कोई खिलौना विलौना कोई वीडियो गेम टाइप सोच रही थी. वो बोलता है उसको उससे पूछ लिया. Now this child says I want a drone. Now we found out that there are multiple Indian drone companies that give drones which are for children, which aren't as good as the DJI ones. They're professional grade, but they're drones with cameras that you can shoot. उसको बोलता है मेरे को वीडियो बनाने का, तो उसको भेजा उसको ड्रोन. And after 4 days she called him back. उससे तुमने बताया नहीं कैसा हुआ क्या हुआ. बोलता नहीं मुझे ड्रोन नहीं चाहिए. And the next thing Aparna goes, गिरा दिया ना तुमको समझ नहीं आया. बोलता है हाँ.
पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया
Other
बोलता मैं जेल में हूँ.
on Alibaba.com, okay, you could buy a drone which was not a cutesy videography drone. It was a drone that is used in drone strikes.
Oh shit.
और तू Alibaba पे मंगा सकता है घर पे.
क्या
But वो entry
पब्लिक
point पे
क्या
नहीं
वैसे
आने देंगे
अमेरिका का प्रेडेटर ड्रोन कैसे मंगा रहे हैं? अरे मेरे दोस्त के उसने पैसा वापस नहीं दिया, 50 ड्रोन भेज रहा है उसके घर में। क्या
It's not that easy, guys. It's not that easy. You cannot order from Alibaba stuff like that. It'll get impounded and they
Yeah,
will open it and
don't-
check what it is. Do
don't-
not.
no.
Yeah, मैं
I
एक
saw
घड़ी
this on-
मंगाया है. वो घड़ी को मेरे को घर लाने के लिए it cost me like it cost me पहले तो full import tax and you had to explain what it is. Why
I'm
couldn't you buy
sorry.
it in India?
The other ghadi that you decided to buy cost you 4 carbon points at least, because that watch has traveled more around the world than you.
बाबा तू वैसे भी जा रहा था वो ट्रिप पे. एवरी पर्सन हु बॉट द वॉच टू मी वाज ऑलरेडी डूइंग दोस ट्रिप्स. इट्स लाइक सेइंग कि अरे दिल्ली से कोई मेरा दोस्त आ रहा है, ये पैकेज लेके जा, मतलब वो उसमें एक्स्ट्रा कार्बन पॉइंट मारेगा तू.
नहीं, मैं सिर्फ बोल रहा है, लेकिन वो घड़ी तेरे से ज्यादा घुमा है कि नहीं, ये बोल
हाँ,
मेरे.
घुमा है,
It has more
घुमा है, one
flight
trip.
miles than you.
क्योंकि अगर अपन कार्बन पॉइंट गिन रहे हैं, मैं 16 पे एसी पे हूँ, ठीक है, पिछले इतने
हाँ,
दिन से.
हाँ.
कार्बन पॉइंट मत गिनना. और बताओ लॉस.
Okay,
मेरे पास एक बहुत फनी वाला है.
No, one
मेरे
second.
पास भी एक है. हाँ,
You cannot beat this law. So
Okay.
I honestly want to say this last, but I'll do it now because I can't risk what Thakur is saying is funny. So there is in Andhra Pradesh, there is like in every state, there is a motor vehicle inspector. This is a role that's a government role where you decide the standards and the practices and the safety of a car, and you test cars against it, whether it's trucks, automobiles, whatever, right? One of the job requirements for this, and you can be disqualified if you apply for this post and do not fulfill this criterion, and that criterion is you have to have, Kautuk, stop drinking, good teeth.
Oh.
If you're a motor vehicle inspector,
Yes, in Andhra Pradesh,
क्या
you can be
तू काट के दांत.
you can be disqualified if you don't have good teeth.
Like
So,
how
is-
you? What is the teeth's role? Like,
So,
are you biting the tires? Are you
basically-
checking the
basically-
engine oil with your
helps you
teeth?
speak, I
I
think.
I think that there is
डॉक्टर
this is a very specific case where one person, one neta, didn't want one particular guy to get that motor vehicle guy's job. So he has said, इसके दांत खराब है, law बनाओ. ये दांत अच्छे होने चाहिए तभी भी ये job मिलेगा. Bro, because it is so specific, it has nothing to do with the job description. I'm assuming it has to do with appearance, but in this motor vehicle,
No.
I don't know what it is.
job would ever have anything to do with appearance. Like,
Yeah, so
it shouldn't. But like,
unless the teeth in any way help with the motor inspector, unless you have to buy
unless you're a
license.
dentist, I don't want to visit a dentist with shitty teeth. I think that's where I draw the line.
No, but what if your dentist is a better motor vehicle inspector? Then
Then I definitely don't want to go to the dentist, ना. देखो मेरे को dentistry इतनी अच्छी नहीं आती, but I'm great at motor vehicles.
This is
I don't
straight
know.
This is straight up discrimination against everyone who has Vimal.
Yeah.
नहीं, you
So
will have people in
technically,
Andhra Pradesh.
Ajay
इधर problem नहीं, इधर
Devgan
public एक
हाँ.
काम कर रहा है, no tension.
So
So,
Ajay
the
Devgan can't be a
unfortunate-
motor vehicle guy in the Andhra Pradesh.
Just the unfortunate bit about this is I think it's currently in the process of being overturned or being thing, but basically under the Indian Motor Vehicles Act of 1914, an inspector in Andhra Pradesh must have well brushed teeth and will be disqualified if he has a pigeon chest, knock knees, flat feet, and hammer toes.
What is a
What?
pigeon chest?
What?
Yes.
What's a pigeon chest?
I don't know. I guess it's a inflated or a deflated chest. I don't know.
That's
can check what-
crazy.
Yeah. So this is
A
this is
pigeon
quite
chest
a
is.
this is quite a weird and bizarre law that is in
I feel
effect.
like this was actually meant to be a matrimonial ad,
Yeah.
which
They
came
done
past
such
as
thing.
looking for someone 6'2" and above earning this much money.
Yes, you are right, because this says that it is a chest deformity where there is an overgrowth of the cartilage between the ribs and the sternum, so it makes the thing stick out. ऐसा कुछ है तो उसके अंदर. So that's one more supremely
Making no
bizarre,
sense at all. Yeah.
supremely bizarre law. Okay.
But these motor vehicle people must be they must be so terrified, no, of their just maintaining themselves. Bye, मैं fire हो जाऊंगा. Cavity
Yeah.
होगा.
Correct. Now,
उन लोग को मालूम नहीं गाड़ी का चैसिस नंबर किधर लिखा है, लेकिन सर रात को फ्लॉस करना बहुत जरूरी है,
हाँ।
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नहीं वो
So,
ठीक है, लेकिन
I
मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के सर, मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट आप छोड़ दो आप सर, आप 2 बार तो ब्रश करना ही है दिन में। एक बार सुबह, एक बार रात को सोने के पहले।
So another law that was created by the British in 1878 called the Indian Treasure Trove Act. It is still technically legal. I mean, it is still enacted. It is still enforced. Sorry, not enforced, but it is still a law, hardly ever enforced. The law basically states that if you find anything of value above 10 rupees lying on the floor, on the street, buried under the soil or anything, you have to go to the collector's office and file it as found. You have to give date, time, etc. And the collector will decide what needs to be done with that. Anything above 10 rupees, you'll spend more money going to the collector's office to give it. But you anything above 10 rupees, and if you do not, it is a offense. It is a proper offense. And this is obviously one of those which helped. What's the word? It
But
helped the British.
this British era law is still enforced.
Yes, it's not enforced. That's why I said it's law. But I assume that it's got to do for the British era. Obviously, it was easy because it enabled them looting and making sure that
But
all
also-
the princely states and all of that.
but
was
also
done.
Did the
Bawa-
British go to the collector's office and report the 56
अरे
trillion
वो उन लोग का खुद का कलेक्टर लंदन में बैठा था, तो वो लोग बोला हम लोग जा रहे हैं कलेक्टर का ऑफिस, और चला
That's why
गया.
और collector बोला museum में
why
डाल.
he was that why he was called a collector? Like that was literally his job.
You
No,
collect taxes,
But
yes.
also the other thing is that they have, I'm assuming, not adjusted this for inflation, because back in 1800 and whatever, 10 rupees must have
no.
been like
No,
10
no,
million
No, no.
trillion.
I think
Trillion.
no, it is affected.
It's
It
the
is
economy of a
Trillion.
country.
no, it is adjusted for inflation. The reason
If you're
for this
walking on the street and you find the GDP of a small nation, it is
Yeah.
important that you go and give it to the
No,
collector's.
so
Sorry,
by the way,
सबको मैं guarantee नहीं दे रहा है.
one of the reasons I suspect this must have come up is because in England, what used to happen was when England had been attacked by the Romans and then later the Romans overthrown, so a lot of people had buried their treasure and left. So consequently, when people used to dig up the soil for agriculture and stuff like that, they would find a lot of these trinkets and buried treasures and stuff like that. So when those things came up, so people would be like, "Arey, the government was like, 1 second, you can't keep it. Who gave you the right?"
Wait a second. The British government said that if you find treasure, you can't keep it.
Yeah.
no, but that's why
There
this
was no saying called finders keepers. It's finders givers to the collectors officers.
so the law basically came into India because they wanted to make sure that looting or making sure that you get stuff from the princely states and the princes was easy, right? Because the one thing that they did is they enforced every law when they were also governing, when they were also ruling over India. They worked under a governance. So to make their lives easier, they would keep passing these laws that would just help their own cause, right? So
whatever issue we're facing right now is
Let's
now going to
just-
be a
Dude,
law
it's
tomorrow.
Guys को ban
there
कर दो.
are armies there और उधर side में ऐसे बैठा है typewriter के साथ कि अच्छा we were walking on the road and we found a princely state. ठीक है, where was it? It was on the road. ठीक है, तो हमने ले लिया, फटाफट लॉ बना और एक slide में बैठ के
Bro, that's also the
Secondly-
land. That's also the Land Acquisition Act, from what I remember. There is, I don't have this thing, so I'm not going to claim to.
Yeah,
know it.
Indians never had paperwork like agriculture, and that time Indians never had stamp paper. We were introduced to stamp paper. So जिसके पास नहीं था, who didn't bother doing
So
it.
land
अभी ये
acquisition-
government का.
But the Land Acquisition Act is still something that I think that's enforced or is legal. Where, for example, if you need a public highway or something like that, you can still, I don't know if it's a land grab or a land acquisition, or you negotiate with the government or some
land grab.
कुछ तो है मेरे को याद नहीं है. It's like Arthur Dent hitchhikers, but
By the way, Neville, to take your points forward, okay, I want to tell you this small historical thing about laws. So this story comes to us from Aristotle, okay, and he was writing about this guy who made a bunch of laws in the 7th century BC. So basically what this guy did is he was a legislator. He was told to make a code of laws. So he sets about making it, right? Now the thing was कि इसने क्या किया, उसने हर कोई, whatever small or big crime that you have committed or offense you've committed, everything was punishable by death. Okay. The guy's name was Draco, which is why you have draconian laws.
Oh.
Okay. So they asked him. So eventually, like, he submitted his thing, na, ki this is my code of laws. They read it. Oh, spitting punishable by death, robbery punishable by death, murder punishable by death. So they asked Draco कि Draco भाई एक सेकंड इधर आ, कि ये क्या है कि
उसको Draco को बोला इधर आ ना, ये Draco इधर
फिर Draco उसको बोल रहा है वो देख नीचे वाला लॉ देख क्या लिखा है, you can't say hey Draco इधर आ, otherwise what, punishable by death.
So they called Draco and asked him कि why you felt the need to make everything punishable by death. And Draco's answer was this: I felt for the small offenses, death was the correct amount of punishment. And for the bigger offenses, I couldn't find anything bigger than death.
But his start point was interesting.
First ball 6 and then only 6.
So the funny thing about the Indian Treasure Trove Act is, I mean, I'm assuming it's for like archaeological purposes, but Kautuk, you mentioned something about draconian laws, that spitting is a problem. Did you know this? That in Maharashtra, the sale of chewing gum
chewing gum
against the law.
Oh.
Really?
What?
Yes.
So every time I bought Boomer, I was a smuggler.
Every time I was doing boo and making that big balloon and was bursting in my face, then I would just take and still chew it back and do it again. I was breaking the law.
Yes. So
ये पहले था कि अभी भी है?
No. So it banned tobacco chewing products, and also in parallel, I think it also did it to chewing gum, is what thing. But it's chewing gum of certain types. So I don't understand.
You remember that rumor in school when there used to be the best chewing gum that we had as kids, and I think it was best for very long. And fight me on this.
Fusion gum.
Fusion gum, the best.
Fusion gum was ultimate, great tasting. उससे balloon भी मस्त बनता था, chewing gum balloon. But it became so popular because it used to come with a little tattoo inside. All you had to do was put it on your arm, पानी लगा और वो तेरा फ्यूजिंग गम आ जाता था. और एक न्यूज़ फैल गई
3.5 मिनट का.
एक न्यूज़ फैल गई थी उसमें.
हाँ.
फ्यूजन गम में रेड स्टार है. Nobody knows what the fuck red star is. At least that's the rumor in my school. I don't know. Maybe it was
some weird propaganda against communism.
किसी ने
No.
which they thought of doing in a school in Bombay.
It was not a thing against communism. It was a thing spread by Big Baboon.
Oh,
Sales कम हो रहा है.
Big
trying to
bubble.
extend his hands and take Fusion Gum's market.
Boomer भी तो वैसी था. Boomer was what if Phantom could stretch.
Yeah.
That was Boomer.
It's just a rip-off,
The-
Mr. Fantastic.
The funny thing about the chewing gum law is that it actually affected some amount of spitting. Now, if you just constantly go back, कि आजकल ये चिपका हुआ च्युइंग गम कम मिल रहा है हम लोग को, बॉम्बे में कम से कम चिपका हुआ च्युइंग गम रास्ते पे गिरा हुआ, सीट के ऊपर गिरा हुआ.
बाबा तो रास्ते पे कम चल रहा है मतलब.
नहीं च्युइंग गम थोड़ा कम ही मिल रहा है मेरे को लग रहा है. ऑल दिस टबैको एंड पान एंड ऑल व्हिच इज एनीवे बैंड, दैट तो अभी भी मिल रहा है, बट च्युइंग गम थोड़ा कम मिल रहा है बिकॉज द सेल ऑफ मिंट skyrocketed when they banned this chewing gum. So it was fairly interesting to.
No, Singapore has that. Singapore chewing gum khana is
chewing gum
banned.
is
Yeah, it's
fully
banned.
illegal. Fully illegal. Fully.
Now there's
और तो क्या
Singapore.
सिंगापुर के रस्तों पे भाई
हाँ.
च्युइंग गम छोड़, पब्लिक थूकरा भी नहीं है, सिगरेट भी नहीं डाल रहे.
अरे लेकिन सिंगापुर पे रास्ते पे चल नहीं सकते, बहुत ही ह्यूमिड है. तो
अगर
Good.
तेरा मन किया.
Living in Bombay. Let's complain about the humidity.
No,
in
Singapore is worse.
Living in Bombay.
Singapore's worse. It is worse.
But-
That is why I'm complaining about it. Because I can.
By the way,
हाँ.
there is there's Singapore, which has no chewing gum, and then there's America, where in Seattle
There's a wall, no?
there's a chewing gum wall.
Yeah.
And I came across footage recently, and I'm not shitting you guys. Log jate hain wahan pe. It is a wall covered in chewing gum.
For the
And
last
that
some
it
10,
doesn't
12 years or something?
Yeah, it's years and years of accumulate. I don't know how people have gotten that high. It's like you have to come with a ladder to stick your chewing gum that high. या तो तुम थूक रहे हो. But then the precision with which it's but what's
If
gone
you're
worse is
spitting upwards and your chewing gum is sticking,
That's
bro,
amazing.
that is 1 second. That means your chewing gum has some hard chemicals in there.
Red Star है उसमें.
वो कि जाके चिपक
Red
रहा है.
Star.
Red Star है उसमें.
Red Star. Red Star.
Now, what people have started doing to
Oh God,
like
they eat
make
the chewing gum from the wall.
viral video, they are licking the wall.
And
I
eating
watched
chewing gum.
this video. I have not had a gag reflex
Oh.
in years.
Ooh.
And at the moment I saw immediate yes, there anything to have a viral video. I don't know what is going wrong with people.
Bro,
That's
it's
crazy.
disgusting. It is. It really is. Sorry, but
you know, we were talking about you walking naked, which is illegal. अगर
Nobody
तू
has walked.
में है, अगर थाईलैंड में है तू, और अगर तू बिना अंडरवेयर के निकला अपने घर से, तो वो भी इलीगल है. क्या तुझे पता था?
हाँ, ये ग्लोबली
But
तो
pant-
बहुत सारा लॉज इलीगल
नहीं,
है.
but
लेकिन चेक कौन कर रहा है चड्डी के अंदर? रोज
हाँ.
निकाल के थोड़ी दिखा रहा है. कैसे मालूम पब्लिक को कि तूने अंडरवेयर पहना है कि नहीं पहना?
जब तू एयरपोर्ट का सिक्योरिटी चेक में जाएगा, तो
अबे मतलब देखो, तू रोज एयरपोर्ट जाता है क्या? सिर्फ पायलट के लिए नहीं है, या स्टूवर्डेस या स्टूवर्ड के लिए? क्योंकि पब्लिक के लिए ऐसे लिखा है थाईलैंड में, यू कांट लीव योर हाउस विदाउट अंडरवेयर.
हाँ.
But it must be one of those laws.
Suppose तूने underwear अपने जेब में रखा. You have pants on, but you have underwear on you.
So then they'll make you wear it. And it's
That's the
a minor
equivalent
fine.
of taking the helmet and putting it in the rear view mirror and say मेरे पास helmet तो है, क्योंकि पहना नहीं है ना लेडीज को ने.
No. Can I tell you one law in India which I think that it's an old law. I forgot what it's called. It's called the Sarais Act of 1867, right? And basically
Sarais?
the Sarais Act, Sarais, Sarais Act of 1867. Basically, any structure that provides housing and lodging for guests, right? They are included in this category. And it means that they have to, by law, let any person off the street use their restroom and drink water. Like they have to provide free water and use their restroom, no matter what you are. If you are providing this, and while this is a service that's true for a lot of the countries in the world, in India, it gets severely like misused to a point where some 5-star hotels are constructing a public bathroom that's used for public purposes
outside.
that are not used for thing, only because a lot of people have gone in and said that, bro, it's a law, you have to let me use it. And they're like,
No, but very few people knew about it. ये मैंने भी पढ़ा किधर. In fact, like that, this is in India, but when you go outside, like if you're, say you're in Europe and you're on the street, you want to pee, India में अपन बहुत बार misuse ऐसा करते हैं कि not 5-star, but a regular restaurant, we would just walk in. We would be like, there's
पानी दो.
go first, and 2 more people are joining. I would sit down, then I would get up. Sorry, where's your washroom? Go to the washroom. Then pretend to get a phone call and then just leave. Sorry, they've cancelled. They're not coming. और टॉयलेट यूज करके निकल जाता था हरामी जैसे. ठीक है.
The amount of acting. The amount of acting and scene work that is required.
You know something, Thakur?
Just so that I don't have to make this dude feel bad, because if I say, can I use the washroom? He's going to say no. And I can't hold. So I'll do this elaborate act.
I've always found the other thing to be true. Like I've always just gone and straight up asked, ki, guys, mera thoda emergency hai, please. And
See,
if
you're
they
a nice
say
guy
no,
who believed in good in people.
no, yeah, that. But if they, because I go with a game plan. If they say no, then I will offer money. I'll eat something. I'll buy something. But let me first ask, and then just get done with it.
नहीं, मैंने हरामी नहीं किया. I didn't offer to buy. I didn't eat. In fact, I lied to them that I'm going to sit. ठीक है, ये सब चल रहा है. The first time ऐसे यूरोप गया, I entered a thing and I was like, excuse me, where's your washroom? He's like, are you going to eat something, drink something? I said, no, I just want to use the washroom. No, sorry, you can't. You have to buy something.
Yeah.
no, but also in Europe, they can't say no.
No, he told me no, and not only did he tell me no, he made me buy something. So I bought a beer because और कुछ था नहीं, मैं बार में था और वो beer पी के और सुसु आया फिर मेरे.
why did he make you drink the beer? Why before going
He
to the
didn't make
toilet?
me
You could
that.
have
अभी
just
मेरे
ordered
सामने
it.
बियर है तो मैं पीऊंगा ना. बियर लेके रख दूं मैं बाहर नहीं क्यों?
Thakur is stuck in
उसको
an
बोल,
endless loop.
उसको बोल ये ले खरीद के रखा है, तू खोल मत until I come back from the toilet.
नहीं ड्राफ्ट बियर.
नहीं, but Thakur is stuck in an endless loop in the restaurant. जिधर वो टॉयलेट यूज करने के लिए बियर पी रहा है, फिर वापस टॉयलेट जा रहा है, फिर वापस बियर ले
बोलता है कि every time you use the toilet you need to buy something more. वो एक use, only one use per beer.
Thakur is single-handedly increasing the GDP of
बाकी
that
दोस्तों
town.
बाहर रुके. अरे नहीं वरुण का है. अरे वो अंदर गया लू यूज करने, बस आता ही होगा.
वरुण वहां पे 18 साल से
जाके आता
एक तो
अभी मैं पीता हूँ और इधर ही
ये-
जाता हूँ.
also
क्या
bro,
कर रहा है? दोस्तों कह रहा हूँ मैं आई ओन दिस बार ना. क्या हो गया? अरे मैं 2010 में आया था सुसु करने. उसने बोला बियर खरीद. फिर उसके बाद पीते गया, मुद्दे गया. तो मैंने सोचा इतनी रह जाओ और बाहर खरीदूं.
और अब तेरे को मूतने का है, तू मूत सकता है, लेकिन if you don't buy anything you are punishable by death.
तो मेरे दोस्त सारे बोल रहे हम लोग लू यूज करेगा. तुझे बियर खरीदनी पड़ेगी. फिर मैंने
By the way, so talking of weird laws and crazy people. So I don't think there are laws that are crazier and people who make them crazier than dictators. Okay, they are the absolute pinnacle of this genre. So we'll go to this country called Turkmenistan. Okay, Turkmenistan had been ruled by two people. Now it's the third guy who's come in, but there were two of these guys. So the first guy was his name was Sapar Murat Niyazov. Okay, and then he was succeeded by a guy called President in quotes.
his name is president.
In quotes.
मेरा बेटे का नाम
पैदा
है
हुआ है।
president. ये बड़ा होके क्या बनेगा? एक वाइल्ड गैस जो भी बने president तो रहेगा.
His name was Gurbanguly.
अरे
Gurbanguly
क्या
Bardi
बंगाली है?
Mukhamedov. Okay, that was his name. Now, just to give you a
Ganguly
quick,
Maghat Medov.
just to give you a quick
क्या
sketch
गुड़
of-
गांगुल क्या प्रेसिडेंट गुड़ गांगुली गांगुली
Gurbanguly.
is off.
Gurbanguly
हाँ
Bardi
हाँ,
Mukhamedov.
Gur-
Okay. Now, just
Okay.
to give you a quick sketch about how crazy this guy was. Okay. So there is a video of him. You must check this out. Okay. There's a video of him where he has met Putin. And
oh no.
from Turkmenistan side, because it was Putin's birthday, he has gifted him a puppy. Okay. So at one point, his
I
Turkmenistan men have
remember
come.
this.
Okay, they've got a carrier. They've opened the carrier, and this guy has reached in and
ऐसा
grabbed the pup from his neck. Aisa. Okay. And been like, here, take. Putin is like, bhai, kya kar raha hai? Do you know how crazy you have to be for Putin to look like the soft guy?
yeah.
Bro, this Turkmenistan guy also I remember something he did.
So it's Turkmenistan का वो है ना, only white cars are allowed, or is that
Yeah.
Tajikistan? It's one of
No,
one of
One
these
of those countries,
where
हाँ,
it's
only
a-
white cars.
you can only drive white cars. सब कुछ ऐसे white ही है.
So I'll
और
tell you
कहीं
some of the
बड़े-बड़े elaborate building बना है जो खाली है.
So I'll tell you some of the stuff that this guy has done. Okay, these two people, both of them. So the first guy who was Sapar Murat. So he in 1997, Sapar Murat
Sounds like a
decided.
Bollywood villain, but I'm sorry, but Sapar Murad sounds
I
like
can't get Raza Murad out of my head.
Out of my-
Every time you're saying
Yeah.
Sapar Murad, I'm just saying Raza Murad with the boner pill.
So Sapar Murat in 1997 decided, I want to quit smoking. Right? Noble cause, good idea.
सबको बोला ना.
But अगर मैं नहीं करूंगा तो कोई नहीं करेगा.
That's the biggest problem with quitting smoking is some चूतिया friends say, अरे फूकना है. अगर कोई नहीं फूक रहा है तो मैं भी नहीं फूक रहा हूँ भाई. भाई ये
Bro, एक minute. The other thing, isn't this guy also something he did during his birthday or something like that? Where this guy basically
course.
उसका birthday था Like, you know how in Korea, in South Korea or something, very recently South Korea undid this where January 1st, everybody's like it was everyone's birthday on January 1st. ऐसा कुछ तो एक था. Where you celebrate and then your actual birthday. ऐसा कुछ था एक कोरिया में. But this Turkmenistan guy, or was it Tajikistan? It's one of these two only. Thakur. But this fellow has basically उसके birthday के दिन उसने बोला आज के दिन सब लोग पैदा हुए. So he didn't do it as January 1st or something like that to stabilize dates. He said today's birthday, my
But way
birthday.
to make your own
everybody-
birthday
My
less
birthday,
special.
your birthday.
No,
By saying सबका बर्थडे आज ही है.
हाँ, सब लोग सेलिब्रेट करेगा ना एक ही दिन
Happy birthday
हाँ.
to us.
All.
People.
हाँ.
पे. So ऐसा कुछ किया था उसने. It was crazy and he said like whatever like.
So Safar Murad did this. Safar Murad did this. Now Gurbanguli, okay, he was the guy, Thakur. He was the guy who banned black cars because he said that because white brings good luck.
हाँ.
Okay, Gurbanguli. Then he was obsessed with horses. Okay, he loved horses.
Oh no, what did he do?
So his entire office was like in his entire office, every piece of furniture has a horse motif on it. Every single piece.
It's like
तो
such a Bollywood villain. देखो पता है
Yeah,
एक
yeah.
बॉलीवुड में एक घर होता था जहाँ पे वो ब्लू कलर के घोड़े होते थे पीछे.
ये
and-
जू में ही है वो.
हाँ.
ब्लू और ब्लैक और व्हाइट ऐसे बैकग्राउंड था.
हाँ.
जू में होगा.
नहीं, I'm saying apart from being Jabbar Khargoshi from a Silsila Pyar Ka's apartment, I'm saying when you went and sat on his couch, you actually sat on a saddle.
Bro, MF Hussain would have made a killing if this guy was there at that time.
Yeah.
हर चीज में horse motive.
So the other thing about Turkmenistan is that they love carpets. Okay, that's their jam. Okay, so much so that they have a ministry of carpets and a national carpet museum. And
Please
there is
explain.
also-
Is the minister of carpets Aladdin?
so they have
एक ही
By the way-
business है carpet.
they have a public holiday to honor carpets. तो आज
Oh.
कारपेट डे है. आज क्या करने का? कारपेट पे बैठने का.
कल क्या करे? कल कारपेट बना रहे और उसके बाद कारपेट बेच रहे और उसके बाद कारपेट खरीद रहे
पे बैठ रहे.
और फिर बैठ रहे और फिर कारपेट का बर्थडे साथ के साथ दिन यही करते हैं हम. ये क्या है बे?
So
you're talking about everybody's birthday on the same day. If you're in Samoa, it's illegal for you to forget your wife's birthday. ये तो हर जगह टेक्निकली इलीगल है भाई.
But bro, massive.
It's worse than illegal. It's
Bro,
Yeah.
मैं बोल
Illegal
रहा
तो संभाल लेंगे.
I think I know. I think it makes sense because
It's
अगर तेरे
illegal
को-
to not know the birthday a month before it is supposed to happen or be like preparing for it.
It's illegal to not start celebrating one happy birthday. Month is left.
Yes,
आने
ये
वाला
कितना
है.
बोल रहा है?
आने वाला है.
सैमोआ में तो it makes sense because I feel it's so far remote. तू इंडिया से भाग के सैमोआ जाएगा लेकिन सैमोआ से भाग के किधर जाएगा वो अलग पॉइंट है. तो तू इधर तक आ गया, इधर नहीं भूल सकता तू भाई अपना बीवी का बर्थडे. मेरे को लग रहा है लॉजिक है इसमें, इस लॉ में तो लॉजिक है.
और भाई अगर अगले बार तुम लोग किसी को टॉयलेट जाना है सीधा स्कॉटलैंड चले जाओ बिकॉज स्कॉटलैंड में इलीगल है टू नॉट लेट एनीवन यूज द टॉयलेट इफ दे आस्क यू. इट्स
Oh.
in line with Scottish hospitality apparently, which I didn't know. I thought it was whiskey, but अभी hospitality भी उनका
मेरे
अच्छा
को सिर्फ एक ही चीज जानने का है कि स्कॉटलैंड में स्कूल में बच्चा लोग ऐसा मैं गो टू टॉयलेट टीचर को पूछ रहा है कि नहीं पूछ रहे कि सीधा
नहीं,
उठ
उठ
के
के
जा रहा
सीधा जाएश. उठ के जाएश.
है.
dude, so
No, you
so-
say teacher, I am going to toilet, not may I. Teacher, I am going to toilet. Okay, you may.
और
I never
How
understood
beautiful.
this may I. It's such a dumb thing actually कि permission लो कि वो नहीं तो मुद्दे का बच्चा मतलब why would you have to just say I'm going?
dude, but there were some teachers who said you can't.
Yeah.
Then you
Yeah.
just kept shaking your foot under the desk waiting for this
And
to
there was
end.
our English teacher who, when one kid said, "Ma'am, can I go to toilet?" She's like, "It's not can I, it's may I."
may I and no you may not.
No, no,
सुसु
but-
करने का वो grammar के
I
बारे
may
में तो
or may
सोच रहा ही
not
नहीं
be
है.
on
Of
the
course you
bench.
can, but you may not.
No, but
And- but you may
Thakur,
not.
the more smart ass teachers used to say the same thing, but they used to add one different line, which was, "I don't know if you can,
हाँ.
but you may."
And if they were even more smarter, they would have said, "You may if you tell me the active voice and passive voice of this sentence."
And
The active
What
voice
is the
is I
subject and
will
what is the
be.
predicate? Tell me that. Madam, please tell me the quadratic.
My
Ma'am,
My
I
prediction
have
is
gone
I
to
will
toilet.
pee.
Ah.
That's not your predicate, that's your predicament. ऐसा करके निपटा दे रहे हैं।
अच्छा, वैसे तो बहुत सारे लॉज है। मेरे पास इधर 50 पड़े, आदर के पास 50 पड़े,
Yes.
कौशिक के पास 50 और बाबा के पास 2। तो 104 लॉस करने का अपने पास टाइम नहीं है। तो we'll do another part of crazy laws from around the world. In the meanwhile, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Said So. Guys, make sure you please like, share, subscribe, comment, share it with your friends, share it with your families. And do not forget, TIS Store is finally happening. Tickets are going to be pinned in the comment community Instagram page. तो वहां पर जाओ, फटाफट टिकट खरीदो, सोल्ड आउट करते हैं, फिर मिलके भंकस करते हैं और मजे करते हैं। एंड यू डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट एंड या सी यू अगेन नेक्स्ट वीक। अंटिल देन इट्स गुड बाय फ्रॉम अस, टाटा, टेक केयर, गुड बाय, सलाम इश्क।
So there's a news article where 2 men have been arrested in France for kicking people who are riding their cycle on the road into ditches. So they drive up to they go France में proper, they take their cycling serious. तो cycle कर रहा है, these guys used to pull up next to them in the car and kick them into the ditch next to the road.
Fuck. चीते अभी इधर टूर डे फ्रांस कैसे होने वाला है? धक्का दे फ्रांस।
12 लोग को इन लोग ने धक्का मारा before they got arrested.